The Oppo Find X8 Pro, released in November 2024, has garnered significant attention for its blend of advanced features and competitive pricing. Here's an overview of its key aspects. The device features a quad curved glass design, utilizing Gorilla Glass 7i on both the front and back panels, complemented by an aluminum frame. Oppo's Armor Shield construction combines reinforced glass and a sturdy aluminum frame, enhancing the device's durability. The Find X8 Pro is designed to withstand various environmental conditions, contributing to its resilience. The Oppo Find X8 Pro features a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 2780 by 1264 pixels, offering a pixel density of approximately 450 ppi. The display supports a dynamic refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, providing smooth visuals while optimizing battery efficiency. With a peak brightness of 4,500 nits, it ensures excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. The screen is protected by high-strength Corning Gorilla Glass 7i and boasts IP68 and IP69 ratings for water and dust resistance, ensuring durability in various environments. The Find X8 Pro powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset. The Find X8 Pro handles multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications with ease. This combination ensures a smooth and responsive user experience, with no noticeable lag during intensive tasks. 50MP main sensor, featuring optical image stabilization and multidirectional phase detection autofocus for sharp and vibrant images. A 50MP ultra-wide sensor offering a 120 degrees field of view for expansive landscape and group shots. A 50MP 3x telephoto sensor providing 3x optical zoom for detailed close-ups, equipped with OIS and multidirectional. And a 50MP 6x telephoto sensor enabling 6x optical zoom for distant subjects, also featuring OIS and dual-pixel PDAF. A 32MP selfie sensor suitable for high-quality selfies and video calls. The Oppo Find X8 Pro offers multiple configurations to cater to diverse user needs. 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM. And 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. These specifications ensure robust performance and ample storage for applications, media, and files. The Oppo Find X8 Pro is equipped with a substantial 5910 mAh silicon-carbon battery, marking a significant enhancement over its predecessors. Users have reported achieving approximately 7 hours of screen-on time during the initial usage period. The device supports 80W wired charging, allowing for rapid replenishment of the battery. It also offers 50W wireless charging, providing flexibility for users who prefer cable-free charging solutions. The Oppo Find X8 Pro operates on Android 15, overlaid with Oppo's custom ColorOS 15 interface. Pros: sleek and elegant build with high-quality materials, offering a luxurious feel. Features a high-resolution AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate for vibrant visuals and smooth performance. Powered by a flagship chipset, ensuring seamless multitasking in gaming. A large battery paired with efficient hardware ensures all-day usage. Cons: premium features come at a steep cost, making it less accessible for budget-conscious users. Lacks a microSD slot, limiting storage options for those who need more space. The premium build and large battery may make the device slightly heavier and thicker. Intensive tasks like gaming or 4K video recording may cause noticeable heating. Conclusion: the Oppo Find X8 Pro is a flagship phone that excels in design, display, and performance, making it an excellent choice for users seeking a premium experience. However, its high price and minor limitations in storage and software updates may make it less appealing for some.